Welcome G. Today I am going to talk about the online payment business. Okay, so in this business I am going to discuss about one of the company that's uh, you can think for the long term investment. So let's look about the details and then decide you know nowadays in the digital era almost each and everyone prefer to paying his payment from the online. So if we are going with a kind of market leader and a good quality of company, that future can be so whatever the business I'm talking, surely in coming next 3 to 5 year this business is surely growing. So whenever we are planning any kind of investment, please look the business that business can in the future. If yes, surely you can think. So I am talking about the one company that have a kind of a market cap near about 98,000 crore. So that is large cap company. And if we talk about the stock P ratio, this is near about 110. And if you talk about uh, financial parameter like ROC and ROE, they maintain near about 16%. This company have surely near about 18 crore debt. So please be know whatever the company you are doing analysis, please ensure what kind of a company have a debt and what kind of company have a reserves. So they have a reserve near about 5,000 crore. Debt to equity maintain near about 2%. Okay. So these are the basic parameters and which we can consider. And if we talk about the let's other parameter discuss about this company. First, let's this company is the point of view quality. This is good quality company, and as per the analyst, good quality company for the long term financial performance. So as per the quality perspective, this is as a mark as a good quality company for the longer period of times. And this company have a management risk is a very good, and even the capital structure of this is the good. So only currently this company have a going to the not good growth as we expected. But surely no, any company have some kind of a up and down. So if the company management is okay, company structure is okay, and you know the company business, and coming 5 to 10 year, this business is surely growing. So this company is also growing. So let's talk about the performance. If we talk about the 1 year performance, this stock is under the Sensex given is 53%, this have a 27%, even the sector given 83%. So now this stock is trading compared to the sector and Sensex is lower price. But if you talk about the longer term, still in last 1 year, this stocks is given near about 30% to say that's not good, so bad. If you comparing this stocks with the list of when this stock is listed, so first things this company are very new in the listed, so just have a completed 1 year. And 1 year, if you talk about 1 day, 1 week, 3 month, 6 month till year date and 1 year, always have a positive returns. Last 1 month they have given negative returns. So this is a new company in this stock market. You can consider in coming maybe 2 year, 3 year, 5 year, 10 year, that surely can go for the good growth. Reason about the background business. They are working on the online payment, and nowadays each and everything is in going to the digital payment. So let's talk about the profit and sale. So as per this analysis, the net profit is now marginally good, and net sale is marginally good compared to, not so good but still in the green light. So now company is trying to increase its sale and net profit. If you talk about company balance sheet, surely the borrowing is increasing and fixed asset is also increasing. So please, whenever we are doing analysis of any kind of stocks or company, please be consider financial data. And basically financial data, we have to ensure that the company how many number of debt and what number of reserves and balance the company have. So please be balance sheet is showing the company total debt and total reserves and surplus company have. If you talk about the shareholding pattern, this is new listed company, so almost near about 70% shares still held by the promoter itself, and this stocks heavily invested by the FII, and also near about 11.5% DII, and all others are in the public, about the 12%. If I'm talking about here SBI card, you know SBI is the one of largest bank in our country, and they are offering the cards, so anyone can take a card payment. So if you look some basic attributes of this company also management is good, and now it's a very good point, and this stocks also returning compared to the very good return about the FT. If you talk about the intrinsic value, so current price is more than intrinsic value. So the stocks, the business they are working, surely this stock is demand by huge number of buyer. So this stock is trading higher than its intrinsic value. We'll discuss what the intrinsic value of these stocks, but no, surely this stock is trading higher value than its intrinsic value. Okay, reason is that this is just listed new company, the business on which they are working, they are demanding and growth business, so all the investors are investing heavily in these stocks. Okay, so if you look about the SBI card, so first these business are focusing about the all individuals, as me, as any of bank holder of SBI card. Generally SBI prefer to sell his card. You by the name of SBI, you can believe the company is not going to so crashed, because they have backbone by the SBI bank itself, and they are focusing on individual. This is not SBI offer only just a specific card, one card. They have different kind of cards offer. So even for the reward cards, shopping card, travels cards, banking partnership card, and even business cards. So not having only one kind of uh, even about talking about, they have also associated the corporate card. Okay, they are also targeting to the not only individual person but also bigger corporate that grow major business. So if corporate are believing on in particular company, particular business, that means they are also need kind of growth. Say have a travel cards similarly for corporate purchase cards and even for corporate virtual cards. So different kind of individual level cards and even you can say the corporate level cards. This SBI card is targeting all in all and every individual person. Surely they need a payment, so they need a card, online card that can be payment. So if we are talking about intrinsic value, what the current about the valuations. So if you look this stocks is intrinsic value near about 400, and if you talk the book value is slowly increasing. But you look about the market price is so high. Reason is that the business in which this stock is working, this company is working, that is the demanding and growth business. So any company have some demand and growth, surely the current price is higher and higher. This is the same reason here. If you talk about some questions, is SBI card good for long-term investment? You can think. And if you think this company can survive in coming 10 years, what do you think? This online payments, card payments can survive in coming 10 years? If yes, you know in 10-year market surely go increase. So anytime whenever you have some plan, you can go for investment. So the question is that is SBI card good for long-term investment? Yes, good for long-term investment. If your investment is horizon 5 to 10 years, surely you can also evaluate some other parameter. So next question, is SBI card payment stocks company is overvalued or undervalued? Surely this is the growth business on which this company is working, so this is the overvalued stock. They are trading overvalued stocks. Yes. So what is the intrinsic value of this card? So as per this median of 3 historical modern, the intrinsic value near about 438 rupees. So is this SBI card is trading on the premium of discount value? Surely this is the overvalued stocks and getting near about 140% discounted or premium. These stocks is trading at the premium about 139%. Why the stock is trading higher price overvalued zone? Still we are discussing. The major thoughts behind this company is about the business, on which business this is working. This is online digital payment, card payment. If you have a horizon of 10 year or 5 year, surely let's see now this company have started slowly and surely in 10 year this stocks is going to surely higher. So longer period of times you can think for this investment. But before going to take any decision, this is my perspective that this business can grow in future. Let's take on your opinion. What do you think? The online payment business, card payment business are growing in future in coming next to 5 to 10 years? If yes, surely you can think. If as per your analysis, as per your suggestion, no, it might be it's not good for future growth. Surely you can think. So that's the my suggestion, my personal reading about this company. What do you think you can do? Your judgment. All are the informations for your analysis available on internet. Just search in at Google. I want to check SBI card financial data. I want to check about the balance sheet. I want to check about the yearly, quarterly, yearly profits and sales, and you analyze yourself. What do you think? This company gradually increasing, can increase? Surely. In this way, you are getting better understanding. So my personal suggestion, please do your own analysis. Just give some time about to knowing this business and knowing this company. If you know the business, if you know the company, after that you can think about the investment. Until you don't believe this kind of business is growing, don't think. But please do your own research and analysis. Purely make some times to research on it. Just Google it, whatever you want about these stocks you can get. Nowadays digital media are offering lots information. What you need, surely you can get. From this note, I would like to say thank you for watching this video.